Hi everyone, I'm just installing my Milukadoors that I bought straight from the manufacturer whilst I was on holiday in Canaries and brought back with me in my suitcase. I have a piece of IKEA furniture with lots of crap that I'm storing inside, and I wanted to hide some of it. So I went for the option of doing some personalized pictures, but you can do colors or design, whatever design you want really. And I've done 3 of the 4 doors that I'm doing already, and I'm just doing the final one, and it's literally just a question of sticking these on. And as you can see, it's literally just that you peel off the film from. Just like that. And they just go in. Just like that. And I actually put one on the wrong side before, when we were able to peel it off quite easily with a fork. Didn't mark the furniture, didn't leave any marks whatsoever really. So it's not, you can change it whichever way you want. And then you clip on when you're installing the door. You clip on these little things onto the door. And then just bend the door a little bit and clip it in. And we're done.